Fieldr, co-founder and CEO of Fieldr. Thank you for joining us. We're going to go ahead and just quickly review filling out the profile for a student. So in the last video, we went ahead and got you registered as a student, whether you're in high school or whether you're in college. This is what you will be brought to for your account after you've just gotten registered. So we'll go ahead and we'll edit our profile now. You will be filling out, again, your first name will be filled out, last name will be filled out. This is just a test one, so I have none of this stuff filled out. So we'll go ahead and Connor Furmender. Won't change the password. Phone 203-444-4444. Work experience, CEO and co-founder of Fieldr. Some soft skills, let's see. Conflict resolution, public, if I can spell, speaking, and time management. My major, let's say I was biochem, no concentration for that. I was Florida Gulf Coast University. A lot of this stuff will already be filled out from once you registered. We'll just put senior, graduation date. We have to get rid of that one. We'll say summer 2023. I'm going to leave that blank, but you can upload your profile picture. You can upload your resume, and you can go ahead and fill out a bio. Submit that. Boom, and it'll automatically save everything. So obviously I didn't fill out a real bio, and I didn't put my profile picture up, but your profile picture would display here as well as your bio and all information that you just went ahead and filled out. All right, and if you want to continue to edit it, just go back to edit profile, and it'll save everything you had last time. And don't worry about the enter password here. This is only if you want to change your password. Otherwise, just go ahead and leave it. As you saw, it'll still submit it. So that is editing your profile as a student. Thank you for watching, everyone.